Okay, so this week's folder in Schoology is going to be the green folder labeled 10.5 through 10.9. You're going to want to click on the green folder. It's going to open up what we have going on for this week. Right now, there are only 2 things in here, but there will soon be 3. So there's the fitness bingo instructions document. And then once I'm done recording this video, the fitness bingo instructions video will be in there. And then finally, the fitness bingo board. So we're going to open up the instructions and go over the instructions. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that you are wearing comfortable workout clothing. So you guys are going to be exercising during fitness bingo. Make sure you're dressed appropriately. Open fitness bingo with Cami. This is very, very important. So let me show you what I mean by this. When you open the fitness bingo board, you're going to click on it. Now I need you to pay attention because this is very important. You must open assignment with Cami. In order to do the assignment correctly, you must open it with Cami. Do not open the PDF and do not view. You must click on open assignment with Cami. This will allow you to mark up the document. And I'll show you what I mean here in a little bit. Okay, so now that we have it open, let's go back to the instructions. Everything that is underlined on the fitness bingo board has an embedded link that will send you to an instructional video. Make sure you watch the videos all the way through. So everything that is underlined is linked to a video. There's a different video for every single thing in here. Okay? Always start with the dynamic warm-up. So on your fitness bingo board, every single time you go to do a workout, every single time you start fitness bingo, click on warm-up, do this first. And I created a 5-minute dynamic stretch warm-up for you guys to do. So you're going to play the video, you're going to follow along and do the warm-up before you move on to your exercises. Choose which exercises you will be performing. So you're going to come over to the fitness bingo board and you're going to kind of look at all of these different exercises and get familiar with what the board says. And I want you to see that this is the footwork column. All these green exercises are in the footwork column. These blue exercises are upper body exercises. These red ones are all core exercises. Purple is lower body. And this orangey yellow, cardio exercises. Start with performing one exercise from the footwork column. So you come to the footwork and you're going to choose one of these exercises. Let's say we want to do high knees. You're going to click on the high knees. You're going to watch the entire video. You can watch it multiple times if you need to. You're going to watch the video. Let's watch this one.
For high knees, you are driving your knees up as quick and high as you can and pumping your arms. To modify this, slow it down. Opposite knee drives with opposite arm.
So this is just an example of what you're doing. You're not actually following along and only doing it for 13 seconds. This video is an example of how to perform the exercise. Now, at the top of every column, you see there's links here. You're going to click on footwork and it's going to tell you how long you're going to perform the footwork exercise. So you're going to decide if you're a beginner, an intermediate, or an expert. Let's say you're a beginner. You're going to do high knees for 30 seconds, and you're going to do that 3 times. So you're going to do it 30 seconds and rest. You're going to do it 30 seconds again, rest, and then a third time you're going to do it 30 seconds. Then, number 7 here, then perform one exercise from the upper body column. So you're going to move over to the upper body and you're going to choose one of these. Okay? You're going to click on it. You're going to watch the video all the way through. And then you're going to come back and you're going to click on upper body and find out how many you're going to do. Okay? You're going to do that for every single column. Okay? You're going to do one from the footwork, one from upper body, one exercise from core, one exercise from lower body, one exercise from cardio. One thing that I want to point out is for the core exercises, I'll click on this video here real quick, and you're going to notice that it says core exercises. It's going to give you the amount of sets and reps to do, but it says core exercises all but plank. What does that mean? I'll show you. It means that all of these exercises you can do in sets and reps except for plank. Plank needs to be timed. So the plank video, you want to make sure to
For the plank,
watch it all the way to the end because the instructions on how long to do the plank are at the end of the plank video. And that also goes for wall sits here. Plank and wall sits are the only two odd ones. When you click on lower body, this is going to tell you how many sets and reps you're going to perform for all of the lower body workouts except for wall sits. Okay? And when you click on the wall sit video,
for wall sits,
you'll see at the very end, it's going to tell you how long to do the wall sits for.
for wall sits, get up against the...
Okay? And if you guys are doing what you're supposed to be doing and watching all of the videos all the way through, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, it should be pretty clear. Now, let's go back to instructions. So once you're done doing your exercise, use the drawing tool in Kami to cross off the exercises after you complete them. Okay, let me show you what I mean by that. And I want to tell you that in order to click on the links, you have to be on this select tool, okay? In order to draw or mark on this document, you have to click on the drawing. I like to have a nice thick line. I'm going to choose pink here. Let's say, okay, so we did the high knees. I'm going to mark off the high knees, okay? Wide push-ups, we did those. After you do each workout, make sure you're crossing them off. And remember, you are performing one exercise from each column every day that you're going to be doing this. So let's say we did plank, did wall sits, and then let's say we went for a walk. And then you're done with your first day of fitness bingo. Now you see up here it says saved. So it's going to save your markup, okay? So the next time you go to Open Fitness Bingo, all of these marks should be on here. And remember, if we want to click on a link, we have to go up to the select arrow. And let's say we're going to do karaoke this time. We're going to click on karaoke, open up the video, watch the video all the way through. And then we're going to come up, see how many am I supposed to do again. You're going to open up the footwork. It's going to tell you how many to do. You're going to do it all over again, one for each column. And you're going to cross them off as you go. Okay? Oh gosh, one thing I forgot to tell you, and it is on the instructions. It's number 12 here on the instructions. Always finish your workout with the cool down stretches. So just like we started every day we do the fitness bingo board, we start with the warm up, we do our exercises, And then we finish with the cool down. And in order for me to click on that, I have to be on the arrow. Cool down stretches. And this will take you to the cool down video. And this is just saying to make sure that you do 15 exercises total this week. So that's 5 exercises in 3 days, which is probably the best way to do it. But if you guys have some other way to go about it, that's okay. If you have any questions, send us an email. And this is Mr. Gunther's email, and this is my email. And below are some examples of what your fitness bingo board could look like at the end of the week. So this person just went straight across every day, straight across. And this person decided to pick and choose which workouts they wanted to do. It's up to you guys. You guys choose the way you want to go about it, but make sure you see that they have 3 from this column, 3 from this column, 3 from this column, 3 from this one, and 3 from this one. Remember, start with the warm-up, do your exercises, finish with the cool down every single time.